Hi, Daniel. What you doing?
Going exploring.
Going exploring. Where are we at? What town are we in?
Codin.
Codin? How do you spell that?
C-O-D-E-N.
And what state are we in?
Alabama.
Alabama. Very southern Alabama.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that over there?
It's a boat.
A boat?
Let's go.
Let's go! Ah! Here we are. There's a boat on the side of the road. Not really sure why there's a boat on the side of the road, but in case there's a flood, we know where to go. Here's Daniel showing us the boat. Okay, here we are, getting in the boat. Here, you hold this and take it. There's a lot of glass and other things in this boat.
Not a very pretty picture.
Not really. This is a little dangerous. Who owns these boats, Daniel?
My aunt and uncle that lives right over there.
Right over there? Wow. Well, this has been Nate and Daniel's adventures in Alabama. Let's wave at the camera. Hi!
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.